I just wanted to take a couple of seconds to talk about a couple of the ways in which I am now using social media within Microsoft Outlook. Microsoft Outlook is still the one killer app that I use every day. It's the one thing that I turn on every morning and I'm using. I mean, the reason everyone's using it is it's my inbox and it's my calendar. I also have all of my contacts in there. So for on a day-to-day basis, I'm reading my email, I'm going through my calendar and looking what I have to do for the day, and I'm contacting people. Now, in addition to that, if any of you have listened to any of my previous vlogs or seen any videos or anything that I've blogged about before, I've talked about how I usually start my morning with Google Reader. Well, what I've done within Outlook is I've gone and taken the RSS feeds item that is here, where you'd normally show feed. You can add feeds in here that you'd have for blogs that you follow. Well, what I've done is I've gone and I've right-clicked on RSS feeds. I've gone down to properties and I've changed the home page to be Google Reader. And I'll tell you why. I would have used the built-in RSS feeds function, but I don't have the send to Twitter function. And I love looking at blogs, seeing something interesting. For example, here Kevin Rose is talking about how what he would like to see introduced into ebooks on the iPad. And if I like the article, I can quickly send to Twitter. And I can do that directly from within Outlook. And then I'm quickly bouncing back and jumping and looking at my email. I'm jumping back to G-Reader. And I don't have to jump out to a browser. I'm looking at everything right in here. The other thing that I do on a daily basis is not only do I go through the blogs that I follow, find something interesting, retweet it, but I'll also look for mentions of me when I am tweeting, and I'll just post random thought tweets, talking tweets, instead of republishing tweets. And for that, I've taken to using Seesmic lately, only because they have that cloud version. And so I've added Seesmic in here, jump to the web. I do get a little script error, but I just continue ignoring it, and Seesmic loads up, no problem. And again, I've done the exact same thing. I've actually added a folder called Intranet, and then I buried a subfolder within it called Seesmic, because I have a couple other websites that I jump to. And on that, again, if I just right-click on Seesmic, which is a mail item folder, I went and changed the home page to be seesmic.com. And now I can be tweeting something out directly within here, and then I'm quickly jumping back to my calendar, and I'm quickly jumping back to my inbox, I'm jumping back to my RSS feeds, and everything is right there. I would love to hear of any hacks that you're using to make your experience with an Outlook more social rather than just email.